On September 25, 1939, the only tropical storm to strike Southern California in the 20th century made landfall near San Pedro and Long Beach. The storm formed off the coast of Central America and weakened just before it hit the LA area. With no warning system in place, residents were taken completely by surprise. 72-mile-per-hour wind gusts ripped through the area, and over 5.5 inches of rain pelted downtown Los Angeles. The storm caused $2 million in property damage and led to a death toll around 100. The disaster dominated newspaper headlines in the region, despite the beginning of the Second World War over in Europe. Several months later, the National Weather Service established the first forecast office for Southern California, so residents wouldn't be caught off guard by such a storm ever again.